Okay, so this Nissan Versa passenger side door broke off, and there's something I think is going on. So this is the original door on here, and this is a common problem with these Versas. You see that little clip right there? Notice how that plastic clip has worn down. This is the new one I just got right here. Now it's a lot more solid in there, and it's all kind of like, it looks identical. So whoever made this did a good job on it. It's pretty much identical to the actual factory one. I don't see anything. It looks like it's coming out of the same mold. The only thing difference is that corner isn't as wore down. You can even see the plastic hanging off right there. So let's go ahead, let's replace this one. All I did was loosen this up with a Torx head through that little hole right there. Move it. I'm not taking it all the way out, and I'm just gonna pop this in. This way goes in first, and then that way, and then put the cover on, and we should be good to go. Okay, so all you got to do is pop that in, loosen that up all the way. Now I'm going to put the little cap on there. I didn't see a reason to replace the one that was already on here. So I'm just going to put all of this back together. I think I need to loosen it back up to get these down in there, but let me do that and I'll show you the finished product. Okay, so I loosened that up, and then that little cap popped on there. Now that cap's what keeps it from sliding back. Check it out, as many times as I want to do it. Now, normally when I did that, it would slide back and the door would pop, the handle would pop right out, so that you'd have to be open from the inside. Now, I also replaced the driver's side already, but this one works fine. I don't see any issues with this thing at all. I actually recommend this little door handle for the Versa. See y'all in the next video.